Hi there, it's Josh here, the Classic Competition Company, with a very special prize for you guys to take part in. This is a 1980 Honda CBX1000 with a 6x6 exhaust system, and it's also in a very rare factory original black colour scheme, which looks super cool. It's going to be one on our website, theclassiccompetitioncompany.com, for just £2.99. The draw will take place on the 2nd of August 2026, which is a Sunday at 10 PM. So yeah, this bike was sourced from Fastline. They're one of the best classic bike dealers in the UK. They have some fantastic machines, and we sourced this off them. They fully serviced it, tested it. Anything that was needed doing was done, so it's all ready to ride and enjoy. It's all cold at the moment, so I wanted to show you how well it starts. It sounds fantastic with a 6x6 exhaust system. So I've got my ignition on, put my choke on up here, which is by my left hand. I hold it on my thumb. Got my fuel on now. I've got an electric start button. So I'll press it and see what happens. Just take a few tries, let the fuel go through. Maybe a bit less choke. Takes a little while for all 6 cylinders to kick in and the fuel to go through. I might just stick it on reserve. There we are. So it's quite loud with the 6x6 exhaust system. It sounds absolutely fantastic. Just take a little while to warm up, but you can have a listen to the engine. It's very quiet. So that was under 5,000 RPM, and it sounded like 12,000 RPM on any other bike with that 6x6 exhaust system. So very, very cool machine. I'll give it one more little rev. Obviously still cold, you can hear it's still a bit fluffy, but that soon clears out. So yeah, super special machine. If you fancy a ticket, 2nd of August. Tickets are £2.99 if you do enter. As always, thank you so much for your support and good luck.